This is a presentation of OPC Systems Quick Starts for Visual Studio WPF applications. The Quick Start templates are designed to get your first project off the ground in the shortest time possible. The Quick Start templates are easy to install. Simply go to opcsystems.net, expand the Visual Studio 2000 templates, and double-click on the WPF tab template. This will install the WPF template into Visual Studio 2010. Click the Install button. Now let's create our application. We have opened Visual Studio 2010 and we're going to go to File, New Project, Visual Basic, and we're going to scroll down here and select the OPC Systems Quick Start WPF app. And let's change the name of that to My WPF and select OK. Now that Visual Studio has opened our project, we can see on the left in our Solution Explorer we have our login and our main window forms. Let's open the main window. On our main window we can see we have several tabs across the top of our main window. Page 1 through page 8, Trend, and Alarm. The trend and alarm are already predefined for us. So if we run our application we can see that we have a page title at the top of each page, and we have our trend window and the alarm window. Also notice that we have a login that's already pre-built for us and the login username. Currently it's at nobody, and we can see with our alarm control that nobody's logged in. If you have set up security, then you can enter a valid login username and password and select OK. Now we'll see at the top of our window that we have log off displayed and the current user's name. Also our alarm control is indicating that somebody is logged in. Let's close the application and take a look at our tabs. Select the tab area and notice that we have the tab control highlighted in our Properties window, and then select the Items collection. This is a list of all the tabs that are in our tab control. As you can see, the header is defined, and we can also affect the layout, the brushes, and other properties. If you want to add a tab, simply click the Add button. Now we have an additional tab at the end. Let's add our header to that. We now have a tab with page 9 added to it. We can also move this up through the list, the Move Item Up. Or we can move it down the list by clicking the Move Item Down. Click OK. Select page 1 and let's go to our toolbox. If you have not already done so, you need to add the OPC Systems controls to your project. Simply right-click and select Choose Items. This is also covered in detail in other videos. Let's select the OPC WPF label control, add that to our window, and let's also select the OPC WPF button control and add that to our window. On the button control, if we go to our Properties window, we can see that there are numerous properties that we can affect. Let's take a look at the background property, and let's set the background 01 tag. Select the Browse button to the right of the property, and then select Local, Pump Value, and then let's copy that tag. Notice that our background true is green, our background false is red, and background bad quality is yellow. You can change these to different colors if you prefer. Now let's go down to our content, and let's paste our pump value into the content tag property. Let's change the content format boolean false to pump is off. And let's change the content boolean true to pump is on. This will control the content or the label on the button when our tag changes from false to true or true to false. Let's scroll down further and go to the set value and also paste that same pump value into the set value tag. Leave the set value boolean at toggle, but also notice that you have many other options there. The set value data type is logical discrete. Now when we click on our button, we will change the pump value from false to true or true to false. Now let's run our application. We can see that our button is green and it's stating that the pump is on. If we click on it, now our background turns red and pump is off is displayed on the button. Let's close our application and look at our label. Now let's go down to the text property of the label and let's change that text size to 16 and bold, and then scroll back up to the Content OPC Systems property and select the content tag and click Browse. Now let's select our ramp value. Let's change our content format for the float value to 1 decimal place, and let's give it a engineering units of RPM. Now let's run our application one more time. We can see now that we have our pump is on, pump is off, and we're also displaying our ramp value. Let's stop our application again. To change the page title, select the label from the tab that is being displayed and select Content. As you can see, the content is displayed here as Page 1 Title. You can change that to whatever you would like. The same goes for the other pages. Just simply click on the tab and select the label and change the content. This concludes our presentation of OPC Quick Start for Visual Studio 2010 and WPF. If you would like more information on OPC Systems and its products and features, please visit www.opcsystems.com. Thank you.